Um, Hello everyone. So in this video we shall solve some um, previous year KCET questions on the chapter complex number and quadratic equations. Uh, and if you have any doubts regarding any question or its solution, then please write us in the comments section. And if you feel that you have more difficulty in any of the chapters, then also please mention the name of that particular chapter in the comments section so that we can give more priority on it and solve more and more questions on that chapter. Also, homeworks on every chapter will be uploaded in the Sapience Education application. So please install our Sapience Education application, whose link has been provided in the description. So here, so in the previous class we had solved till the question number 20. So here we shall solve from the question number 21. So it is told to find the value of the magnitude of, means the mod of 1 plus I root 3 by 1 plus 1 by I plus 1 whole square. So this can be written as mod of 1 plus I root 3 divided by, this will be I plus 1 divided by I plus 1 whole square, mod of that. So this will be mod of I 1 plus I root 3, that is square root of 1 square plus root 3 whole square, divided by, this will be square of this. So this we can write I plus 2 into, we can write I plus I minus 1 into I square minus 1 whole square, mod of that. So this will be 1 plus 3, that is 4, so square root of 4, that is 2, divided by mod of, this will be I square minus I plus 2I minus 2 whole square, divided by I square minus 1, that is minus 2, so mod of that. So this will be equal to 2 by mod of, this will be I square is minus 1, so minus 3 plus I divided by minus 2. So whole square of that, we have to take square of this. So square of this and square of this. So this will be 2 square, that is 4. So 4 will go up, 4 to the 8. 8 by mod of square of this, I minus 3 whole square, that is I square plus 3 square minus 6I. So this will be 8 by mod of, this is I square is minus 1, so 9 minus 1, that is 8, 8 minus 6I. So that is will be 8 by square root of 8 square, so 64 plus 36, that is 100, square root of 100, that is 10. So 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10, that is 4 by 5. So option D is the correct answer. So in any of the steps of the solution, if you are unable to understand or you have doubts in the question or anywhere in the solution, then write us in the comments section. We shall clarify them in the subsequent videos. So here it is told omega is an imaginary cube root of unity, then the value of this 1 minus omega plus omega square into 1 minus omega square plus omega power 4 into this is 1 minus omega power 4 plus omega power 8 till 2n factors. This is how much? Okay, so this will be, so we know that omega 1 plus omega square, that is equal to 0, and omega cube, that is equal to 1. So therefore 1 plus omega square is 0, therefore I can write 1 plus omega square, that is equal to minus omega. So this can be written as, this product can be written as This is minus omega into this is 1 plus omega power 4. This is 1 plus omega. So 1 plus omega is minus omega square. So this is minus omega square into that is 1 plus omega power 8 means it is omega square. So 1 plus omega square is minus omega power 8, that is equal to omega square, and omega power 4, that is omega. So this is minus omega. Then again into this will be 1 minus omega power 6. 1 minus omega power 6 plus omega power, so 4 to the 4. Then this will be 2 to the 4, 4 to the, this will be 8. And this will be 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. This will be equal to 1 plus omega power 16, that is 1 plus omega. So it is minus omega square. So this will be minus omega square. So 2n factors. So this product will come n times. So therefore that will be minus 2 omega into minus 2 omega square whole power n. So this will be power n whole power 2n. Okay, whole power n. So this will be 4 omega cube whole power n. So this will be 2 square whole power n. So that is 2 power 2n. So option A is the correct answer. Then if P of x, y denotes x comma y denotes z, that is x plus iy, the Argand plane, and z mod of z minus 1 by z plus 2i, that is equal to 1, then the locus of P is n. So we can write this is x plus iy minus 1 divided by x plus iy plus 2i mod of that is equal to 1. So therefore I can say mod of x plus iy minus 1, that is equal to mod of x plus I into y plus 2. So this is x minus 1 I can write. So this is x minus 1 whole square root of plus y square, that is equal to square root of x square plus y plus 2 whole square. So if we expand it, if we take square on both sides, this will be x square plus 1 minus 2x plus y square, that is equal to x square plus y square plus 4 plus 4y. Now x square plus y square, x plus y square will cancel. Then we will have 1 minus 2x, that is equal to 4 plus 4y. So then we can write this is 4y plus 2x, 4y plus 2x plus 3, that is equal to 0. So which is an equation of a straight line. So therefore the locus of P represents a straight line, which is option D. Then in the Argand plane, the point corresponding to this lies in the which quadrant? We have to find it. So this is 1 plus I into 1 minus I root 3 divided by root 3 plus I. So this we can write 1 minus I root 3 plus I minus I square root 3 divided by root 3 plus 1 plus I. So this will be 1 minus I root 3 plus I. This is minus of minus 1, that is plus, so plus root 3 divided by root 3 plus I. So this we can write so this is 1 plus root 3, then this will be plus I into 1 minus root 3 divided by root 3 plus I. So then we have to multiply and divide by its conjugate. So this will be root 3 minus I into this will be root 3 minus I. So this will be root 3 into this. So this is 1 plus root 3 into root 3. Then minus I into 1 plus root 3. Then plus I into 1 minus root 3 into root 3. Then minus I square into 1 minus root 3 divided by root 3 whole square minus I square. So then this will be equal to root 3 plus 3 minus I root 3 plus I root 3 minus 3I. Then minus of minus 1, that is plus 1 minus root 3. Divided by root 3 square, that is 3, minus of minus 1, that is plus 1. So this will be root 3 plus 3 minus 4I. So plus I root 3 minus I root 3 will cancel. Then plus 1 minus root 3 divided by 3 plus 1, that is 4. So root 3 and root minus root 3 will cancel. This is 3 plus 1, that is 4. 4 minus 4I by 4, that is 1 minus I. So here it is told it lies in which quadrant. So the point is 1 comma minus 1. Since we can write here the real part is 1 and the imaginary part is minus 1. So the point 1 comma minus 1, 1 comma minus 1, that will lie in the fourth quadrant, since it is plus comma minus. So it should lie in the fourth quadrant, that is option D. Option D is the correct answer. Then it is told if log base 2 9 power x minus 1 plus 7 minus log base 2 3 power x minus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2, then the values of x are. So here we can write it as log base 2 9 power x plus 7, 9 power x minus 1 plus 7 divided by 3 power x minus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Therefore, I can say 9 power x minus 1 plus 7 divided by 3 power x minus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2 power 2. So this will be this I can write 3 power 2 into x minus 1 plus 7, that is equal to 4 into 3 power x minus 1 plus 1. So if we take 3 power x minus 1, that is equal to y, suppose say. So it means that y should be greater than or equal to, y should be greater than 0 obviously. Y cannot be equal to 0. So y should be greater than 0 for all real values of x. So therefore this equation can be written as y square plus 7, that is equal to 4 into y plus 1. So this can be now written as y square minus 4y plus 7 minus 4, that is equal to 0. So this will be y square minus 4y plus 3, that is equal to 0. So I can write it as y minus 1 into y minus 3, that is equal to 0. Therefore y will be equal to 1 or 3, 1 comma 3. So therefore 3 power x minus 1, that is equal to 1, or 3 power x minus 1, that is equal to 3. So 3 power x minus 1, that is equal to 0, or 3 power x minus 1, that is equal to 3 power 1. This we can 3 power x minus 1, that we can write this is actually equal to 3 power 0. 3 power 0. Okay. Therefore x minus 1, that is equal to 0, or x minus 1, that is equal to 1. So it means x equal to 1 or 2. is equal to 1 or 2. So option A is the correct answer. So then the number of solutions of the equation z square plus z bar that is equal to 0 that we have to find, where z belongs to set of complex numbers. Okay, so number of solutions. Okay, now so let z we write it as x plus iy. So therefore mod z will be equal to x minus iy, and z square that will be equal to x plus iy whole square. So that will be equal to x square plus I square y square minus plus 2 ixy. So that will be equal to x square minus y square plus I into 2xy. So therefore z square plus z bar that is equal to 0. So therefore I can say x square minus y square plus I into 2xy plus x minus iy that is equal to 0. So therefore x square minus y square plus x plus I into 2xy minus y that is equal to 0. So therefore you can say that x square plus x minus y square that is equal to 0, and also 2xy minus y that should be equal to 0. It means y square that is equal to x square plus x, and from here you can say y into 2x minus 1 that should be equal to 0. It means that y should be equal to 0 and x should be equal to half. So here okay, x should be equal to half. So y into 2x minus 1 that should be equal to 0. So if y equal to 0, then x can be anything. Then x I can put any real number. And if I take x equal to half, then also y we can take it as any real number. Real number. So therefore, so suppose for the case 1, we take y equal to 0. Y equal to 0, so now x can be any real number, x belongs to R, but x square plus x that should be equal to y square. It means that then in this case x into x plus 1 should be equal to 0. It means x should be equal to 0 or x can be minus 1. So here we can have two real solutions, two real set of solutions x and y. It means that x comma y here it can be either 0 and 0, or it can be minus 1 comma 0. This can be the thing. And in the case 2 I can have like here y belongs to R and x equal to half. X equal to half and y can be any real number. But here y square equal to x square plus x. It means that y square should be equal to 1 by 4 plus half. So that is 2 by 4. So y square should be equal to 3 by 4. That means y should be equal to plus or minus root 3 by 2. Y should be equal to plus or minus root 3 by 2. So therefore here the set of solutions we can have two real solutions which are half comma root 3 by 2, or we can have half comma minus root 3 by 2. So here also two real solutions in case 2. So it means we can have um, um, so we can have four real solutions. So there are four real solutions of the given equation. So option C is the correct answer. Then here it is told that if alpha is a complex number such that alpha square minus alpha plus 1 that is equal to 0, then alpha power 2011 that is how much? So now if we take alpha equal to minus omega, then we know that uh, so here, this equation can be satisfied by alpha equal to minus omega and minus omega square. Since why we know that omega plus omega square plus 1 that is equal to 0. If we put minus omega, then we will have omega square plus omega plus 1, that should be 0, and if we put minus omega square, then also it will be omega power 4 plus omega square plus 1, that should be also equal to 0, since omega cube is 1. So omega power 4 I can write it as equal to omega only. So now therefore alpha power 2011, that will be equal to omega power 2000, that is minus omega power 2011. So that can be written as minus 1 power 2011 into omega power 2011. So minus 1 power odd number, that is minus 1 only, into omega power 2011, this we can write. So this is omega power 3 whole power, this is 3 6 18, 21 3 7 21 0 into omega. So this will be minus omega. And also if we take alpha whole power 2011, that is minus omega square whole power 2011, that will be also minus 1 whole power 2011 into omega power 4022. So that is minus 1 into, this is omega power 4020 into omega square. So this is also divisible by 3. 4020 is divisible by 3. So this is also minus omega square, which is equal to alpha only. So it is coming same as alpha. So option D is the correct answer. Then here it is told, if the conjugate of x minus I, x plus iy into 1 minus 2i, that is equal to 1 minus 1 plus I, with the conjugate of this. So the conjugate of this, the whole bar of this, that will be equal to this also. Since why, if we tell z1 bar equal to z2, then it means that z1 will be equal to z2 bar. So now therefore x minus x plus iy into 1 minus 2i, that will be equal to 1 minus I. So that will be equal to x minus 2xi, then plus iy, then minus 2y I square, that is equal to 1 minus I. So therefore x plus 2y plus I into y minus 2x, that is equal to 1 minus I. So therefore x plus 2y, that is equal to 1, and y minus 2x, that is equal to minus 1. So if we multiply this with 2, then we will get 2y minus 4x, that is equal to minus 2. So y minus 2x, that is equal to minus 2. So if we subtract them, so we can say 2y, that is equal to 4x minus 2. So this we can write x plus 4x minus 2, that is equal to 1. So 5x, that is equal to 3. So x equal to 3 by 5. So from here we can say x plus iy, that will be equal to 1 minus I by 1 minus 2i. So it means that option C is the correct answer. Okay, then here it is told alpha. So in any of the solutions, if you are not able to understand in any of the steps, or if you have any other doubts, then please write us in the comments section. So then here it is told that if alpha, beta and gamma are the roots of the equation alpha x cube plus 4x plus 2 that is equal to 0, then alpha whole cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube that is equal to how much? So now here we see that here alpha plus beta plus gamma that is equal to 0. Since why? The coefficient of x square is 0 here. So if alpha plus beta plus gamma is 0, so we can say that alpha whole cube plus beta whole cube plus gamma cube that is equal to 3 alpha beta gamma. So therefore that will be equal to 3 into, so alpha beta gamma is minus d by a, so minus 2 by 1 that is equal to minus 6. So option A is the correct answer. Then here it is told that if alpha and beta are different complex numbers with mod beta equal to 1, then mod of beta minus alpha by 1 minus alpha bar beta that is equal to how much? So mod of beta that is equal to 1. So it means we know that beta into beta bar that is equal to mod beta square. Mod beta square. So beta bar that is equal to 1 by beta. So now mod of beta minus alpha by 1 minus alpha bar beta whole square that will be equal to beta minus alpha by 1 minus alpha bar beta into whole bar of this, that is beta bar minus alpha bar by 1 minus alpha beta bar. Okay, so then this we can write. So we have to find the value of this one. So let's say this is equal to x. Let this is equal to x. So we can say x square that is equal to so this will be beta into beta bar minus beta into alpha bar minus alpha beta bar plus alpha alpha bar divided by this will be 1 minus alpha beta bar minus alpha bar beta plus alpha alpha bar beta beta bar. So this will be x square that is equal to beta bar is equal to mod beta square which is equal to 1. So this is 1 minus, and this is mod alpha square minus of this you can write alpha beta bar plus alpha bar beta. And this divided by this will be 1, and beta bar is mod beta square which is 1. So this you can write 1 plus, this will be plus 1 plus mod alpha square minus of alpha beta bar plus alpha bar beta. So these two are same, so they will cancel, so that is equal to 1. So therefore x square is 1, so x will be equal to 1. Since this value cannot be negative, can't be negative. So x square is 1, so x is also equal to 1. So option C is the correct answer. Then we have to find the modulus and amplitude of this complex number. So 1 minus 2i by 1 minus I whole square. So this we can first simplify it. 1 plus 2i by 1 minus, this is 1 plus I square minus 2i. This will be 1 plus 2i divided by 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2i. So 1 and 1 will cancel. So this will be 1 plus 2i by 1 plus 2i. So they will cancel, that is equal to 1. So this we can write 1 plus 0i. So the point is 1 comma 0. So 1 comma 0 it will be a point on the x-axis, 1 comma 0. So therefore the amplitude of z, if I take this as z, amplitude of z will be 0, and since it lies on the positive real axis, and the modulus of z that will be equal to 1 only. So 1 and 0. So option B is the correct answer. Then here it is told, if the roots of the equation x cube minus ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 are in AP. The roots of this equation are in AP. Then 2a cube minus 9ab, that is equal to how much? The roots are in AP. It means that alpha, beta and gamma, they are in AP. So I can say that 2 beta, that is equal to gamma plus alpha. So now 2a cube minus 9ab. So that will be a into 2a square minus 9b. So now we know that alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is equal to a. That is equal to minus a actually, and alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, that is equal to b, and alpha beta gamma, that is equal to minus c. Now therefore we have to find 2a cube, which is alpha plus beta plus gamma whole cube, minus this is 9ab plus, so I can write plus 9 into minus a into b, plus 9 into minus a into b. So this will be minus a is alpha plus beta plus gamma into b, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. So that will be equal to this we can write now. From here also we can write b, this is b, that is equal to alpha beta, means beta into alpha plus gamma plus alpha gamma. So beta, right, beta into 2 beta plus gamma alpha, that is 2 beta square minus plus gamma alpha. B is this, okay. So this is 2 into this, we can write beta plus 2 beta whole cube plus this is 9, and this is beta plus 2 beta, that is 3 beta, into this will be this is b, this is 2 beta square plus gamma alpha. This will be so this we can write, this is 2 into 3 beta whole cube plus this will be 9 3 are 27, so 27 beta into 2 beta square plus alpha gamma. So this will be 3 9 are 27, 27 to the 54, 54 beta cube plus 2 7 are 54 beta cube plus 27 alpha beta gamma. So this will be 108 beta cube plus 27 c. So this will be minus will be minus of this. Actually, this will be minus. So this will be sorry, this will be minus and this will be minus. Okay. So this will become minus. This is plus. Sorry, this will be plus. So this is minus. So this will be, this 2 will cancel and this is minus 27. This is minus c. So that will be equal to 27c. So option C is the correct answer. Then it is told that 1 omega square are cube roots of unity, then 1 minus omega plus omega square into 1 plus omega minus omega square, that is equal to how much? So this will be minus 2 omega into this will be minus 2 omega square. Since why 1 plus omega square, that is equal to 0. So 1 plus omega square we can write it as minus omega, and 1 plus omega, that we can write it as minus omega square. So this will be 4 omega cube, that is equal to 4. Option B is the correct answer. Okay, so here we can here we shall end our class, and the remaining questions we shall solve it in the next class. And in any of the questions, if you have any doubts, then please write us in the comments section. And any other, in any other chapter also, if you feel that it is more difficult, then also please write the name of that chapter, and then we shall give more priority on it and solve more and more questions on it, which would be helpful for you in the KCET exam. So thank you everyone. Bye.